Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the videos from the past, hopefully you remember me talking about right around $1.20 as that area of support. But you can see right here during that first 30 minutes of the day when the price did break below it, that's essentially what opened up the floodgates and had the price going all the way down there. But there's actually even a near-term level of resistance. So before you even talk about doing battle with $1.20, the near-term level is going to be that pink line right there, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. So that would be more of the short-term level of resistance because, very clearly, this level is at $1.09, which is, lower than $1.20. So yes, $1.20 does indeed pertain as resistance. But before you start talking about, like I said, doing battle with $1.20, that first resistance that needs to be broken is going to be down there at the 200 period simple moving average. Now, what about areas of support? If this move continues down, where are some of these next potential areas where the price could stabilize and level out? And that first level might be right where the price is at right now. Yeah, right here at 93 cents. Now, I say this makes sense because another rule in charting is when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. So way back here, you can see that this area was without doubt an area of resistance. The price really struggled to get above it. However, when the price was finally able to break above it right there, that produced a very nice upwards move. So you fast forward to now, and yeah, this former area of resistance is now indeed acting as support right here. So 93 cents is that level you want to see act as support, and so far so good. It is acting as support. The next level of support after that 93 cent area is down here where this former consolidation happened. Oh, that makes it easy. Right around 10 cents lower at 83 cents. So near-term levels of support, again, 93 cents and 83 cents as far as resistance levels. First level, that 200 period, and then after that, up there at the $1.20. So quite a bit of volume in this one today. We'll see how tomorrow unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.